Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Fusion side mirror. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your brand new replacement mirror. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. We'll begin by locating the interior trim panel that hides the mirror's mounting bolts. Now, let's get to removing the old mirror. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry off the interior trim panel. This prevents any scratches to your vehicle's finish. Once the panel is off, you'll see the electrical connector. Gently disconnect it. Next, locate and unscrew the 3 mounting nuts or bolts that secure the mirror. With those removed, you can carefully pull the old mirror assembly away from the door. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your shiny new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, making sure the mounting studs align perfectly with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts or bolts first, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Before replacing the trim, test the mirror's adjustments and any integrated turn signals. Almost done. Now, carefully snap the interior trim panel back into its original position, ensuring all clips engage properly. Take a moment to verify all the new mirror's functions, including power adjustments, heating, and any integrated lighting. Double-check for any gaps or loose fittings around the mirror's base. Finally, ensure the mirror provides a clear and stable view, ready for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.